Hello guys, today we're discussing the VSP-808 Videoscope from Launch. It is a standalone Videoscope. It comes with a detachable 4.3-inch screen. It is rechargeable. It's got a nice handle, easier to hold. Again, IP67 rated, 5.5 millimeter cable. It's much thinner than our competition. I'm gonna submerge it in water so you can see. You can see the display still there. You can use this to go in crevices, find hard to reach stuff. Maybe you can't reach to see something. You can reach behind stuff and see if it's if you drop something or if something's back there obstructing. You need to see something from far and you can't get to it. Turn the light. You can see clear as day. Again, thank you for watching, and please look for more launch videos to come.